Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today we have another mailbag day. As usual, every Monday, AM GMT time, we have unboxing and unpacking to do, and I hope you join us seeing what's in all this package. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. So, now, without further delay, let's start unboxing stuff. Let's move this out of the way. It wasn't one of the strongest weeks receiving package, but yeah, we still have some things to see here. Okay, start with a small one. Let's see what they say. Screw mount. So we have a screw. It's a small screw mount. And yeah. Right. Very small screw mount. This is a ball head, a micro ball head, very small, very tiny. But yeah, okay. I don't know what I can. Whoa, sorry. What I can use here, but this is less than half of the normal size of the ball head. Yeah. Sometimes we are not paying attention. We buy stuff like this on AliExpress because they always put the smallest possible products to have cheap prices. Okay, so we have here a holder. I think this is also for our studio. Yeah, I know what this is. This is a crab kind of bowl. I don't know how you call it. And yeah, I put this on the tripods, on the light stands, and something else. And we have here a quarter-inch. Sorry, quarter-inch through one side, 5/8 from the other one, and it's very useful. I'm loving ones I already received. It's really very useful to have if you have studio equipment. Yeah. Okay, we have already two stuff for our studio. Let's see what else we have here. Expansion board module for electronic lab. Let's see. The descriptions are not always quite precise, as you may see. Okay, so we have here. Let me show you. Those are tweezers that are useful for component testing, and those go directly to multimeter. We can also, I have an adapter connected to oscilloscope, but this is for multimeter right now. And we have this probe that will connect points on a breadboard or motherboard or something like that, and we are able to test the values and continuity and everything else. So yeah, a very nice addition. Okay, so moving on. What else do we have here? Power cable. You never know. Okay. This is also for the multimeter. We have on one end two alligator clips, and on the other end, I believe this is clicky. brand of these cables, Lecky. On the other end, we have banana, but with the ability of connecting another banana in the same place. So also very useful to connect to the multimeter and to test stuff on our TechCorner projects, electronics projects and tutorials channel. Okay, today this is going quite fast. It will be a short video, I see. Have here a package that seems to be fun. Let's see what's in it. Camera bracket. Okay. We have here also some tools to mount I order. So the camera or the projector like that. Here is a 1/4 inch screw. Oh, quite nice. Some more studio equipment, and to finish the small package we have here integrated circuits. Nothing today for the reviews channel. I think don't know everything that is on this box. Ah. Oh. Okay. What we have here, they call it a pixel Game Boy. Let me open this. This is a Tetris-like game. I don't know if it's a good idea to open this right now, but yeah, let's do it. Okay, that's what it is in the package. We have buttons. I think this is the buzzer. USB connector. All buttons. So, USB cable, battery holder, and two big matrix displays. I don't remember the name of this one. Ever. And IC also socket. Have a port for assembly. This will be a project on the TechCornerTV electronics projects and tutorials. A project assembly of this, and yeah, it will be very nice. We have here the assembly instructions. It starts in this side. I think this is something like this, and I don't know, this is upside down from one side to the other. The alphabet in Chinese, but we have also here English. Okay, it will be fun to assemble. It will have a video for this. Yeah, let me try to put everything here so I don't lose anything. I will not open this. This is just the enclosure. It's acrylic, nothing ordinary here. It is already broken here. Already broken. Probably broke on the travel, but yeah, Okay, it will be nice to assemble all this. Okay, and right now I have here a big box from Mauser. I paid for this. This is not sponsored, but they have publicity everywhere. And I have here some interesting items. The first one is this kit. And this kit is very interesting. I bought this kit for an article that is about to go out. That is our choice of equipment for a 50 euros, $60 electronics lab, in which we will have oscilloscope, signal generator, a multimeter, soldering iron. This is a digital soldering iron, has digital temperature, and a few items like tools and everything else, and it's the bare minimum for 50 euros. We have here some wire, solder, an iron sand, a small sponge, several tips for the iron, and we have also tip cleaning product. We have the multimeter probes, and we have a desoldering tool. So this is part of tweezers, also very important in electronics. Sorry. And yeah, I think this will be a lot of fun to do, this article and video. It will have a review on also on electronics projects and tutorials. And yeah, it seems quite nice. All of this was about 17 euros, I believe. I don't know right now, but the article will have all the values. And yeah, even the, well, it feels cheap. It's very plasticky. Well, this is not rubber. If you let it falls on the ground, you have a high hypothesis of breaking, but high probability. But it has everything that we need for working. It has continuity. We can test transistors and backlight, ohms, voltage, temperature, current, sorry, and not the perfect tool, but it's for $60 or 50 euros work electronic lab equipment. So with 50 euros or $60, you cannot be much picky. And yeah, it will have the bare minimum, but it will have everything that we'll need to start working on electronics. Take a look in the article. By the time you see this, it probably will be online already. And just close this. And it has a bag also that you can put the rest of the stuff here. So what do we have here? We have terminals for fork terminals. We have a 9 volts battery. I was in need of one. I bought some batteries right now. AA batteries. I bought AWG, I believe this is 14 cable. Seems quite nice. Not very flexible, but for what I want, it seems okay. This is 10 meters. I bought a screen cleaning kit. We have here 3 sockets, and those sockets are quite nice because they are to be mounted on this, and it will almost require no space between the wall and the furniture that you have. So those are quite nice if you have sockets behind your furniture. Also a Chuco triple connector, 2 Chuco chuck whatever socket, not socket, plug, and banana plug, and a Pico, raspberry Pico, or Pico, to prefer to test. And finally, I also have here some cables and a USB 3, USB 3 extension board, has self power. So a lot of stuff. I was missing a lot of this. This is our maintenance order for the consumables and everything else. And yeah, that's all. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't already, please subscribe. And I will like to thank you very much for watching this video until the end. It is important. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in our next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.